Hey all, welcome to my channel again. This video was taken on last Friday, that's the weekend over here. Just wanna share my breakfast and lunch menu with you all. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. So for breakfast I'm preparing this dish which is my kids' favorite and ours too. It's quite simple. You need to slice a large potato and one onion very thinly. Then a few green chillies according to your spicy level and a few garlic chopped. So in a pan, heat some oil and firstly saute the garlic and green chillies. Then add in the potato and onion sliced. Cover and cook it, giving a mix in between. Then adding some chopped spinach. You can add chopped lettuce instead of spinach. Then add some salt and pepper. Once it's cooked, let it cool down for some time. Then take a large mixing bowl, whisk in eggs. Here I've used an egg per person, so a total of 4 eggs. Add in the potato mix and some cooked pasta. Now in the same pan, add a spoon of butter or ghee. Here I've used ghee, and transfer the mixture to the pan and spread it evenly. Cover and cook in very low flame for around 10 minutes. Next for lunch, I cooked Hyderabadi chicken biryani. My next video is on the recipe for this biryani, so keep watching. Along with this, I am making a salad. Take a bowl, add labneh and whisk. Then add in some honey, olive oil, salt and pepper and mix everything together. Now the dressing is ready. Add chopped veggies. Here I have taken some lettuce, cucumber, capsicum. You can even add fruits as well, like mangoes, apples. Now mix everything well. Now that was our lunch. So that's it friends for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for notifications on my updates. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.